Our next song is called These Are the Pets I Love. So these are the signs that we'll need in it is pet and love. And then first up is a bird, so there's your beak, and a fish, then a cat, you show the whiskers, dog. Some people might sign dog with the pat and then the snap, and I mean the snap is optional. I think it's a lot easier for babies just to tap their thigh, so that's what we do. So dog, and then horse, so it's the letter H for horse, horse, and frog. So the two fingers are gonna pop off of your thumb, but under your chin, like the so frog. All right, so it goes, these are the pets I love. These are the pets I love. And then she'll name off whatever pet it is. So the first one is bird, 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 tweet, 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 tweet. Then the next one is fish, 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 cat, 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 and so on and so forth. And then at the very end, she just kind of names them off one by one. Super fun, super easy. Follow along. I'll get the song started. Here we go. Next is fish. Your little hand swims across the water there like a little fish.
These are the pets I love. These are the pets I love. Fish, 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 fish. Swim, 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 swim.
Right, next up is cat. The whiskers.
These are the pets I love. These are the pets I love. Cat, 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 cat. Meow, 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 meow. These are the pets I love. These are the pets I love. Dog, 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 dog. Ruff, 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 ruff.
Next up is horse. Horse, 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 horse.
These are the pets I love. These are the pets I love. Horse, 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 horse. Neigh, 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 neigh.
Last one is frog, 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 frog.
These are the pets I love. These are the pets I love. Frog, 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 frog. Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
All right, so now she'll do all of them back to back, starting with bird, so the top.
These are the pets I love. These are the pets I love. Bird, 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 bird. Fish, 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 fish. Cat, 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 cat. Dog, 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 dog. Horse, 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 horse. Frog, 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 frog. These are the pets I love.
Way to go!